So now we'll focus about the main idea of the video today, data imputation. What's this name, data imputation? Maybe you never heard about it. It is just a solution or the medicine for the missing data. You need to imputate some information in the location of the missing data. So it's a procedure for entering a value for a specific data item where the response is missing or unusable. Okay, so this is simply that you are putting a value in a missing value. Just try to find any suitable value and you put instead this empty cell. Another definition, it's saying that this is a probability based method. So it's based on probability used to assign a reasonable values to unavailable observations by using the rest of available samples in that specific variable. So that's mean you having 10 numbers and one of them is missing. So you try to say I have 9, so I will try to take the mean value and I will put instead this missing value, or I will try to see the behavior of this data. So I will draw a line and then I will see between 2 points if this or the rest of points follow a straight line. That's mean this is a straight line and I will just follow straight or linear relationship. That's mean you are considered to assign a value based on the rest of the attributes that you have. Either you are using information from the related observations as you said, and this data can be categorical data and continuous data predictors. And item number 2, so in some techniques, for example, you have a data about NDVI, rainfall, or for example age, height, weight, and you have a missing data inside age or missing data inside elevation. So some techniques, they will try to learn the rest of the data and how it's affect this elevation. So it will study the rest of the data. We'll see that in elevation 200 we have NDVI like this and we have soil type like this. So they try to link the data to your target. So then they will try to find like a data mining approach that we studied before. Whenever we have a missing places with missing variables, we try to predict this data based on the independent factors. And here also you understand all the story that you will have also some uncertainty in this object. Also worth to mention that in some data, especially for dates, we have a huge missing data. So you will have like 1 month missing data, 2 months, and also you have a missing data in categorical data. For example, in the precipitation data or the weather condition, you have, for example, categorical data related to, let's say, we have fog or rain or extreme rain, intense rain. So here it's strings. So you have here a categorical data. So also there is a method that make the imputation for this missing strings, not only numeric. So we have also numeric and we have factors.